All right, today we have the new Braun Series 5 shaver that we're gonna have a quick look at. Now, this is an interesting one because I previously owned the old Series 5 and I thought it'd be great to get the new one because it's very different. They haven't changed the design probably over a decade, so it is quite radical. Before we get into it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos, like and comment. We gotta help the algorithm, it doesn't really hurt. And of course, we've got our car channel, Talking Talk, which I'll leave a link in the description below. So let's get right into it. Now, with this one, before we sort of get to the unbox, we'll just explain what's going on here. So they've changed the design completely to be easier to clean. It's got these little grooves on the side that it can go through. This one we've got here comes with the precision trimmer, which I would highly recommend, as well as the beard trimming. So there's three options. You can get just the shaver itself, which will just be a clean shave every time, or you can get the shaver itself with the precision trimmer, which at the very least get that, because that trimmer just allows you to give, if you don't want a completely clean shave, you just want an easy trim, that's the way to go. And then obviously the beard trimmer that will allow for more. So let's get right into the unboxing. All right, here we are with the Series 5. Now, as we mentioned, it's got the easy shave system there. It's got a lithium ion battery and it's wet or dry. The good thing is it's completely waterproof. So you can submerge this in your shower, your bath completely. The whole thing is fine. It's the 5020S and it comes with all the options. Now it says here engineered in Germany, and a lot of people are getting afraid that they think everything is now made in China. But if you look on the side, it'll say shaver made in Germany and then your beard trimmer and brush made in China. Now the main thing is the shaver, that is still made in Germany. Obviously they're trying to cut costs, so their beard trimmer and brush, which is a separate attachment now, will be made in China. So it isn't the end of the world, as the main compartment is still made in Germany. Now the box itself, it's just simple. It says 3 flexible blades, easy clean system, up to 50-minute shaving of a 1-hour charge. So lithium ion is obviously better than the NIMH old batteries that would die quite rapidly and then you can't resurrect them. And then a 5-minute quick charge, which will get you 1 full charge. Now it's easy click. It has 2 years worldwide warranty, 60-day money back guarantee. The thing about this one is I got it from the US because I wanted all 3 attachments and they hadn't come out here yet. Now they have, which I didn't know. And customs decided to open it for me and look at the battery, because that's what happens when you buy things. So if you're gonna bring something from the US, just be wary that they're probably gonna open it and check what's going on. So once you open it up, the first thing you'll see is the shaver itself. Don't worry, it will come in a piece of plastic. Mine was just opened from customs, and it is very light and very comfortable to hold because it has that grip there that comes over here. This is a little bit just a protector for the top, nothing there. And there is your main shaver. And as you can see on the side, because it's easy clean, the good thing about this compared to the old one is mine would have hair everywhere and you would have to sort of wet the whole thing or pull it apart just to make sure that hairs didn't stay in. But with this one, the water comes down the side if you just rinse it upside down, and it actually comes out of this way to clean all the hair from there, which is a great addition. So you don't have to sort of pull it apart. Now, because it's easy click, it's very easy to take this off and on. And if you want to put the other precision trimmer, the only downside of this is that my old one and the other Series 5s and 7s, the before this generation, they would have the trimmer sort of attached to it. So you just flick it up and then you could shave and then trim at the same time. That's the downside about this, is you have to take it off, put the trimmer on and change if you're going back and forth. So there it is. Now, customs didn't open this, thankfully. Just going to, yeah. So there is your precision trimmer. Okay, so because this one also comes with the different attachments, oh, okay, there's more than I expected. You have 4 attachments, and each of them, I'm just gonna see if you can see it, it's got a number on it. So 3, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, so here are your attachments. You've got number 1 is already on it, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on the length of the beard that you want. So you attach these onto the precision trimmer, and it'll give you a longer beard as opposed to the trimmer itself. Now, how do I take this off is a good question. So there's a plastic bit. You just slide it. Okay, I'm glad I didn't put too much force into that. You just on and off there, and that's your trimmer itself. And then if you want to put the beard attachments, you just clip them on from 1 to 5. So this is the trimmer that I would recommend you get, even if you don't want the beard attachments, at least get this, because this will make a lot of use as opposed to just this itself. So these are the two that you'll most likely need, the shaver and the trimmer, which you put on quite easily, and then you start trimming away, depending, and you can also, whichever way that you prefer. And actually, yeah, it's very easy to go on and off, and you can go both sides, which is pretty cool. So there it is. That's the main components of it that you'll need to know. It's easy wash. It is made in Germany. Underneath here will be your charger, which is the same charger that Braun has used for many years, which is great because I ordered a US one. I have an Australian charger, so I don't need to use that. If anyone wants an American one, let me know. So I'm gonna go use it now. Oh wait, there's more. There's my brush hidden away. That is made in China. One of the two things, which is good to use just to wipe some hairs off. And that's basically it for the unboxing. We'll have a quick rundown of it, and I'll show you some sort of before and after pictures, and you can see what you think. Okay, so some time has passed and I have been using it for a bit, and I am enjoying it. Now, I did like the convenience of the older Series 5 that had the trimmer sort of attached to it as well, so you didn't have to constantly change it, but it does do a really good job, and I think I can sort of look past that purely because the washing is so much easier. So although I do have to change the heads a bit more, the washing is just way easier because the water runs through it. Now, changing the heads is quite easy. You have the beard, so the different beard trimming options, they obviously vary from 1 to 5. That's the amount of millimeters, depends on how thick you want the beard to grow. And it does all right. Like, I can't grow a completely full beard. Yes, I know I'm ashamed of it, but for people that can, you do have the option to go from a 1 to a 5, and then also the beard trimmer itself, the precision trimmer. The precision trimmer is great. I almost use that exclusively for many days if I don't want a completely clean shave. And I'll put some photos up so you can see, and it does a pretty good job. It does clean enough, but obviously not completely clean. It's the same as the precision trimmer that was on the older Series 5, but I actually like that it's got its own unit because it gives it it's a much thicker sort of trimmer, and it can actually get in there quite well. The shaver itself though is really good. It does a very close shave, a very clean shave, a shave that I'm pretty impressed with. So overall, I've been quite happy with this system because it does make it more convenient to clean, and I can easily wash it, especially if I'm only using the precision trimmer for, you know, let's say a week. I don't need a clean shave, even a few weeks if I don't need to go into the office or, you know, make an appearance anywhere in public. I can just use the precision trimmer and it's fine, and it still does good enough. It'll leave a bit of stubble that you might like, and if you do want that stubbly beard that isn't too long at all, then the precision trimmer is the way to go. But overall, I'm very impressed with this. People were asking me, oh, it's now made in China, it's gonna be cheap. But no, the quality is great. It lasts long, it's completely waterproof, and Braun has great warranty. I mean, I've even read that they will cover you for repairs up to 10 years, which I don't know if it comes to that, you might as well just get another one, but it is really good. All the attachments are really easy to click. Now, the thing that I didn't mention earlier is that this starts, it depends on where you get it from, but if you want just the shaver itself with no sort of precision trimmer or the beard extras, you can probably get it for around 120, 130 Australian. If you want to add the precision trimmer, probably go 150, maybe a bit more. And then if you want to get all the beard attachments, and you can even get some body attachments, then you're looking at 200 plus. So it depends what you're after. At the very least, I would recommend getting the precision trimmer, which will get you around 150. In the US and worldwide, it will probably be less, around the 100 US mark, 120 thereabouts, but it is good and nothing to fear as an upgrade from the older version, because it is great. I love how nimble it is, how it actually feels really comfortable to use. and it's easy to wash. And so I've loved using it, and I would recommend it, and hopefully will continue lasting long, because that's the thing I love about Braun's. My old Braun lasted really long. I actually had no reason to get rid of it after many years. Obviously, the more you shave, the more use it's gonna get. But the big plus that would make this last even longer is that it's a lithium battery, which lasts way longer than the older NIMH. So there it is. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, stay tuned for more videos. Like I mentioned before, trying to do more everyday household products, things you wouldn't see on normal tech channels because they're not computers or gaming systems, but people need shavers, and this is a great way to go if you don't want to clean shave with a razor and shaving cream and cutting yourself. If you have acne, even worse, but this is a great way to go. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.